Thank you very much. So these are the things that happen, with technology and everything. I would before I again question and get into the whole interview thing, can I ask every one of you to start your videos, please? We love to talk to people, and we love to have people seen on the screen instead of the name and a very ugly looking gray background. You guys are all beautiful, handsome people. We'd like to see you. Good, good, wonderful. There are still quite a few who probably are thinking and worrying about their backgrounds. Don't worry about that. We all have Indian homes. See, I'm sitting in my bedroom right now, and you can see the bed right behind that, and we don't really care about it. We care about the content that is going to come our way. And Ashwini is a heavy loaded guy. So we are going to pick his brain today and get the maximum meat out of him. So good. So everybody ready? Say thumbs up, and we know you're ready. Okay, wonderful. So through this session, you can ask and put questions in the chat box. Don't hesitate at all. Having said that, I may not be able to take all the questions. So I will take as much as we can and take and extract as much juice as we can from Mr. Kukreja. So Ashwin, we are going to get in right now. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm super excited, Hardik. This is my first interview, believe me. पहला एक इंटरव्यू दिया था जब भी जॉब के लिए गया था, and after that this is the first interview.
Okay, wonderful. So I'm very privileged. I definitely cannot give job to somebody who's as accomplished as you are. But I get the privilege to still interview you. And by the way, this is my second interview. I mean, I'm taking my interview.
Okay.
So we both are on number 2 in that sense when it comes to interview. So my question number 1, Ashwin, Fauzia explained that you are in 3 businesses. And I guess out of those 3 businesses, I personally feel 2 of them are extremely relevant to today's situation. IT for work from home better, and the business that we are going to talk extensively about, the yellow. So what is the passionate business out of this 3, and how did you get there?
According to me, the most passionate business is, of course, the coaching and the assessment business. While I started my career with the IT business, I started that business on my own. Recently, in the last 5 years, I have gone through a lot in life, which made me start this business. So if I can sum up in just 2 words, how did this business, the yellow, come into existence is because of hospital ceilings. Now, it so happened that around 5.5 years back, my dad was not well, and I had to spend quite a few nights in the ICU of Hinduja with my mom. And those of you who know Hinduja Hospital, and if, God forbid, if anyone has been to the ICU, there is a small sofa that they provide you to sit outside. And it's not easy for one person. Here we were 2 persons out there. So I would, normally go down, spend the evening or the night in the cafeteria or the seaside, Hinduja Mahim. Just beyond that, there is a chai ki tapri hoti thi raat ko, and seaside. So that is where I would spend my nights for probably 10 days in a month, 10 to 15 days in a month for a year, because that was the trauma that my dad had gone through because he was not well. And wahan par I realized, whatever I was doing is not meant for me. And I decided I have to do something else, because there is when, so this is something that I learned. Whenever you experience a NBE or a NDE, okay, NBE is near bankruptcy experience, and NDE is near death experience. So if you really see someone at that stage of life, instead of getting panicky, you should think what positives are coming out of it. So one thing that hit me very hard, that this is not the thing that I should be doing all my life, because it was like how sand, हाथ से रेत कैसे छूट जाती है ना, I could actually see my business slipping away, which I did not realize earlier. But there, when I was just with me and nothing else, that is when I realized कि ये सब मेरे हाथ से, it's not taking me somewhere. I am just running the rat race. Neither it is giving me happiness, nor it is giving me that much amount of money कि भाई ठीक है, पैसे के आगे कुछ भी नहीं चलता है, तो उतना पैसा मिल रहा है तो ठीक है. And I'm not being able to scale it up to a level where, at one age of your life you really want that business to be. So I said kuch to aur karna hai. I didn't know what to do. I just didn't know what to do. At that point in time, I was only a trainer at BNI. For my BNI friends whoever know me, I was just a trainer in BNI. So I said, okay, aur kuch nahi tha, I will become a trainer. The journey started like that. Then I decided, no, trainer is not a cup of tea. I am a business minded person. It is not a scalable thing. I cannot become a trainer. The trainer की certification ले ली थी. But I said, no, I want to do something else also. What is that something else? You won't believe, Hardik and Fauziya, and no. I went to Jyotish. I went to people see your hands. I actually went to tarot card readers and asked them, you know what, guys, मुझे कुछ और काम चालू करना है other than this. And I seek your advice. Okay, what is it that I'm destined to do? I just want to do something else very new. You know what? All of them gave me a single reply. Instead of guiding me, what should I do? They said, you know what? तेरी life में ना बहुत सारी suffering लिखी हुई है. तो मैं तो और डर गया. मैंने बोला भाई लोग मेरे को ये suffering से हटना है. I want to do something. And you are saying a lot of suffering is written in my life. So what kind of suffering? Well, you may not suffer, but there will be suffering around you, and you may have to help people. Then I went to one tarot card reader, a lady called Anita Madhok. I give the credit. She was in her BNI. She's a grandmother, and she retired as a CEO of a company, and she started this as a hobby. And I went to her. I said, you know what? Everyone's talking like this. You are also a tarot card reader. Why don't you tell me? She also said the same thing. I said, what saying is right. There is a lot of suffering. So I said, okay, no, you know what? You are my friend. You advise me what to do. So she said, you know what, ये होता है, if you believe this, लोगों को ना इस धरती में आके ना अपने कर्म काटने होते हैं. So maybe you have to do that. So while you do that, why don't you get into a business where you actually help people? So people who are suffering, people who are not so well, not so good, why don't you do something and help? I said, fine. That is how this thing, okay, so then the एक ही word आता है mind में, coach बन जाओ. Coaching में you can help. So I certified myself as an ICF coach. Then I said, okay, नहीं यार business भी सीखना है, तो then I certified myself as a business coach. तो अभी भी कुछ समझ नहीं आया because all these things are not scalable. How much one-to-one coaching I can do, or how much money I can charge. Finally, that businessman का कीड़ा keep on coming up. This is not scalable. इससे तो IT business चल ही रहा था. So then I said, okay, we have to go in the online space. And around 2-3 years back, I decided to create my own online assessment tests. I wanted it to be totally different, something so unique, whether it would get success or not. I just wanted to drown in that passion of doing something for people without even thinking whether it will work, it will not work. I just went into it. That is how this all started. And here is where I am in front of you now.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I'm so happy that you didn't really continue with your coaching thing. Otherwise, I would have competition in my market. So thank you very much.
So Hardik, let me be very clear. I coach only till here. Okay, only in the mindset, only in the mind. I will never tell you how to do business because you are the best guy who knows your business. Though I'm a business coach by qualification, I can never tell people how to do business. I may give you a formula that you can put it in your head and then use it in your work. But so you come after me,
Yeah, so great. So Ashwin, having known the beautiful story that you just narrated us on why you started what you started, I think the picking point for me was your thinking on whether your coaching practice or your certification etc. was that scalable. And I think it is something that all of us need to think right now, that whatever we are into or whatever we are going to get into, uh, is that scalable? And if the answer to that is no, then is there a way I can
Yes.
make it scalable? Because if it's not scalable, then you're only going to, then you only are left with one option. You become Amitabh Bachchan and you become the best freelancer that is there on the planet Earth and be able to make that kind of money. If you can't do that, then the 100% guarantee is that you're going to struggle. So thank you very much, Ashwin, to bring that point up. Now, the assessment that you have, you call it the yellow. So what's with the yellow? Before I deep dive into understanding the whole assessment, but what's yellow? Why yellow? Yellow is our brand color, by the way. So
Oh,
that also
that's
makes this
nice. That's
question
nice
very
to hear.
close to what I really want to know.
Yeah. So basically, good question. Why yellow? Why not red? Why not blue? Why not green? People ask me a lot of questions. So yellow, because what I believe, and you will also, when a human being is born, okay, when a human being descends down to this earth, they are clean, they are white, they are pure, they are the cleanest. A kid is the cleanest form of creature or thought or a thing that you may have ever experienced. A child, you know, they are basically so clean, and I call them white. They are white. So everyone out here, when they came to earth, they were pure white, clean. But how it begins is parenting, society, our religion, the way we are brought up. It so that clean child is basically being raised by a set of parents. So with no offense to parenting, but they will, according to how the parents raise you, initially you will take that shape. You will learn the first word to speak because of your family, because of your language that is spoken at your home, the culture that is set. So eventually, and the friends that influence you as you go on growing up, the things that happen with you, the experiences in your life, all these things change you from a shade of white to yellow, to a different shade. In a different aspect, I would say that the yellow is used in a slightly negative connotation here, because we become corrupt. Today, everyone is yellow. Everyone has got a different shade of yellow. They are definitely not what they were born as. They are now different. And what my test does is figures out that, okay, how yellow you are right now, not what you were destined when you were born. How yellow you are right now is what I try to figure out, and then help them to grow.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Ashwin. So yellow for us was completely opposite. Yellow for us is sunshine, brightness,
Of course.
positive, and all of that.
Yeah.
But I see where you're coming from as well. I agree to the point that when we start certain things, or when we are born, like you said, we are very pure. But it's only after that that we know things start moving, and we become what we become.
Right.
So the next question, and now we'll go straight into the topic. What is the yellow test about?
So, in very simple words, the yellow test is going to tell you who you are. Number one. Second thing is, it is designed in such a way that you will be able to predict other people's behavior, the people that are around you, your team, your colleague. You undergo the test, you will be able to predict the behavior of the people around you. Third is, of course, your business and job diversification options or career options. Then, like any other test, it will measure all your core competencies. It will also bring to light the 16 qualities that you have, which you never thought you actually have. So these are the simple things that come out of this test.
So one of the questions that comes in all our heads, at
Hmm.
least it's coming in my head. But before I ask you that question, let me just go in the room and ask everybody out there: how many of you are married? Raise your hand, or maybe put a thumbs up in the comment box so that I know that you are married. And the people who are happy can clap. So people who are married can do thumbs up, and people who are happy can clap. Jayesh bhai, I know you're married. You can't be, you have to do thumbs up. I know you. I know so many people here. I know you guys by name. You have worked with you guys. So okay, okay. So we have quite a few people who are liars out here, who are dark yellow, if I may suppose, from what Ashwin said. They're all lying. So the question, Ashwin, for you is, can this test help me predict the behavior of my wife?
In a way, yes, but I will tell you very frankly, there is no person in this room or in this earth who can predict his or her wife correctly. So there,
All
my
right.
test.
So
There, my test fails.
so that's an exception to the rule.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So Ashwin, we see a lot of these tests coming in, right? I've
Hmm.
heard about a lot of other psychometric tests.
Hmm.
So what is the difference? What is the modality of the test? How should I compare this assessment with the assessment of, let's say, MBTI? Which tells you who you are and kind of buckets your profile in a certain way.
Hmm.
How is your test different?
So very simply, this is only 25% of psychometric assessment.
Okay.
That is the reason I'm calling it the yellow test. I'm not blindly calling it as the psychometric test. This uses only 25% of psychometric. Believe me, there is no psychometric assessment which is video based. Mine is a video based assessment. Okay.
Okay.
So another difference is in psychometry. What is the definition of psychometry? If you go and do Google or Wikipedia, uh, uh, understanding your psychology is called psychometric analysis. Okay, so if I try to understand your psychology, the terms, the way these psychologists or the psychometric assessment creators, what they do is ask you different questions. आपको गर्म पानी अच्छा लगता है कि ठंडा अच्छा लगता है? आप वेकेशन में आप बीच पे जाना पसंद करेंगे, विंटर वाली जगह पे जाएंगे, या आपको रिसोर्ट में रहना है, कि आपको इस पे रहना है, टेंट में रहना है? So asking such questions, hundreds of them, they will try to figure out what you are. Now that is exactly what is psychometric assessment. Okay.
Correct.
Now my test is different. I have only 25% of my questions in the test which are based on these. Balance is, it's all video psychometry. So the science that is used is, मैं और आप एक पिक्चर देख के आते हैं, बाहर निकलते हैं, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ हार्दिक कौन अच्छा लगा, हीरो, हीरोइन, विलेन या कॉमेडियन? You will say मेरे को कोई नहीं अच्छा लगा. मैं बोला no. Life is going to put you in a box where you have only limited options. So you have to answer one. तो फिर आप सोचने लगोगे, अच्छा मेरे पास चॉइस ही इतना है तो मैं क्या सिलेक्ट करूँ? So आप सोचोगे नहीं, ठीक है, I like the villain. ठीक है. Now the same kind of, when I say okay, if you like the villain, then अगर villain ने, आप villain की जगह होते आप क्या करते, या आप हीरो की जगह होते आप क्या करते? So you come in that flow zone of divergence when I ask you questions, when a video is freshly resting on your head. This is the science that is used. So we give you a audio visual, a fantastic audio visual, and then there are multiple choice questions using gamification, and then there is a report and an analysis, and that is followed by a counseling session. So it is, one more major difference is that this is not just an assessment. All the assessments are basically pathology reports. ब्लड रिपोर्ट आपको एक जगह से लेनी पड़ती है, बाद में डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता है, करेक्ट? यहाँ पर you will get the blood report also, and the doctor can give you an advice also. The advice is basically telling you what kind of a mindset shift is required by you to achieve that goal which you have in mind.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So that's the use case, right? So once I know who I am and how I operate, then what is it that I need to do? So can you give us a short example of a mindset change? Somebody who was maybe an ex-type, and what is the kind of work that goes into for that person to transition or better manage himself in a particular situation?
So, live example, say better, what I will tell you. So what happens here is, again, it's all about perspectives. We know what to do. Okay. Now, if I tell you, Hardik, wherever you are, this is Hardik 2020, and there is another Hardik 2022. who is sitting in April 23rd and 2022. So if I ask you, Hardik, where do you want to see yourself? You may say, okay, I want to see a 5x growth. So Hardik 2022 has achieved 5x of what you have achieved right now. Okay. Now I will tell you, Hardik, 5x achieved, 3x so you will do it on yourself, and for 2x you may have to hire a few resources. Then I will ask you, Hardik, what kind of resources you will hire? A, B, C, or D? And I will explain a little bit about them. I can't go exactly into detail because I have to show the test, but that is not possible here. So if I show you 4 different resumes, you may not suddenly pick up one, okay, कि ये काम आएगा. He is going to help me achieve that 2x, 3x तो मैं कर लूँगा and I will achieve my goal. Then I will ask you, what you thought that this person with this kind of mindset is going to achieve. Okay. Are you yourself having the same mindset? If you are not, then you should also have that kind of a mindset. This will be more beautifully explained. See, what happens is when we talk about others, when we think about others, we immediately shout out. We can make decisions about others. When it is about us, it is difficult. So that kind of science is going to be used to figure out what exactly do you need to achieve your goal. आपको बोलेंगे, yeah, go on. Yeah.
So if I have to really summarize what my understanding is now that I asked you this question is that assuming I take your test, and correct me if my understanding is wrong, and I understand that I am like this, and let me take Fawzia for example, and Fawzia takes this test, and Fawzia understands she is like this. Now, once I know what Fawzia is like, and Fawzia knows what I am like, then both of us kind of calibrated, and we can work with each other far better. Is that what I hear you say?
That is one aspect. That is how you will be able to understand the other people. Even if Fawzia has not taken the test, if you take the test, you will be able to figure out what kind of a person Fawzia is and what kind of role should I give Fawzia. It is not possible. Okay. It is not all the time possible for Fawzia also to take the same test, or you may not want her to take the test also.
Okay. So the test is not only figuring out myself, but it also helps me figure out based on how certain people behave, how to categorize them and therefore work with them.
It is basically giving you options to predict people, options to compartmentalize people in a certain aspect of achieving certain things.
Okay. Wonderful. So, Ashwin, how many people would have taken this assessment so far that you have?
We have just crossed 1 lakh users now.
Oh, okay. 1 lakh users. Yeah. Are they from one particular section, or they are across, or how is it?
So I have one bank as a client, and a few corporates, a lot of students. So this test is used for students also in various aspects. In fact, the students vertical was designed in conjunction with the ex-education minister Vinod Tawade. He helped me get there, and so students and of course entrepreneurs, employees, staff, professionals. It's for kind of everyone depending on what is the requirement. So we have a test for sales. We have a test for emotional intelligence. We have a test for teams. We have a test for career. All are video-based assessments.
Wonderful. So हमारे पास already एक request आ गया है कि we need to be talking in English. Unusual term, right? English. So हम English में is it वार्तालाप by any chance? Is वार्तालाप right?
वार्तालाप is conversation. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is like I don't know what interview is called. So if somebody knows that, please put it in the comment box. We would love to understand, and हमारा हिंदी सुधर जाएगा. So great. So what's your motto behind this yellow test? You mentioned your story behind it. Now you have an assessment created. What's your motto?
So my motto is very simple: creating abundance.
Wonderful. That's a powerful one.
Simple, because
now, obviously,
I will add this thing, take you back to the uh, story of the tarot card reader Anita Madhok. She said, I have to help others. Now, helping others is a little a term that is very generic. So based on that, I created that creating abundance should be the motto in this field, and that's what I do.
Wonderful. Ashwin, who are the people? I know you mentioned about the fact that you are in real estate and IT. Now, you obviously got certified into your coaching, etc., everything. Uh, but how did you go about creating this test? I mean, I'm sure this is far more scientific than what हम लोग जो भी imagine कर सकते हैं. इसके पीछे बहुत science होगा, experts हमें चाहिए होंगे. तो
Yeah.
ये कैसे बनाया ये टेस्ट? व्हाट क्या गया है ये टेस्ट को बनाने के लिए?
So the first and foremost is the yellow is basically the book. The yellow is the Bible or the manual of this test. आप कोई एक मिक्सर ग्राइंडर खरीदते हैं या कोई ऐसी चीज खरीदते हैं, पहले जमाने में साथ में एक मैनुअल दिया होता था, how to use it and what. So when I created the test, I wrote that Bible, I wrote that manual. Okay, this is the thing if anyone is asking. See, because I have come from a background of computers. I'm not as experienced as Hardik or many other people in this room in this field of coaching and training. I am just 5 years old in this field. Okay. So I had to write a, kind of a thesis. I did not want to call it a thesis because it sounds very cliche. I said, I will write a book. I sent that book to many people and asking their reviews before I officially announced the assessment test. So I was very lucky and privileged that if you have heard of Marshall Goldsmith, he has endorsed the concept of the yellow.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah. So the yellow is endorsed by Marshall Goldsmith. I'm really thankful to him. He normally doesn't endorse this. He writes his own books, but he has, and I treasure that thing a lot. So one is that gives a lot of credibility to me. Second, in the board of advisors that I have a clinical psychologist. I also have a senior HR leader who is having a big position in HR in JMC Kalpatru. His name is Deepak Saxena. And the clinical psychologist is Dr. Swapna Patkar. You can Google both of them. They are in the advisory board. So whenever I release a test on, when I design the questions, these are the two I always consult. Of course, then there are other. So I am using a lot of word triggers. When I want to measure the level of your dominating nature, okay, now dominance बाहर कैसे आएगा? वो dominance बाहर आने के लिए मेरे को वो questions में उस तरह के words आपको पूछने पड़ेंगे, वीडियो वैसा दिखाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके वो वाला nature आपका है या नहीं है वो measure कर पाएंगे. So there are some literature experts जिससे consult करता हूँ मैं. So a lot of science has gone behind.
So it's literature expert for the words. It is the clinical psychologist to understand how the brain functions, and then an HR guy who understands human resources. All of this clubbed together makes up for the assessment.
Yes.
You also mentioned about the book. Tell us more about that.
So the book is basically initially
sorry,
it was.
Ashwin, sorry to interrupt. English, I forgot English.
अच्छा. तो जो बुक है ना मेरी वो मुझे ना बुक के जैसे लिखनी थी. पहले तो मैंने सोचा था कि ये एक ना मैनुअल बना के छाप देंगे और टेस्ट के साथ देंगे या ये करेंगे, बट वो लोगों ने बोला नहीं यार, व्हाई डोंट यू राइट अ बुक. ठीक है, बुक लिखने के लिए कहानी चाहिए, स्टोरी चाहिए, ठीक है, कैरेक्टर्स चाहिए. सो मैंने वो मेरे स्कूल के कुछ दोस्त थे, कुछ मेरी कोई रियूनियन की कुछ यादें थी, वो कैरेक्टर्स डाल दिया, थोड़ी स्टोरी बना दी. एंड छोटी सी बुक है, 80 पेजेस की, 250 रुपीज की है, एंड किंडल वगैरह पे अवेलेबल है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So I had to make the book very interesting because Marshall had said, in fact not Marshall, her CEO, she's Sarah MacArthur. She said, you know what, just don't publish the concept we love, the title we love, but make it a book. She said, I have to create एक कहानी बनाओ यार, जो लोग उस वजह से भी पढ़े। तुम्हारा टेस्ट कोई ले ना ले, तुम्हारी किताब पढ़ के तुम्हारे को उसके लिए भी तुम्हारे को कोई बोलना चाहिए कि यस इट इज अ वेल रिटन बुक। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अ स्टोरी वाज वीव्ड, थोड़ा उसमें ड्रामा क्रिएट किया, एंड उसके अंदर मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी लिमिटिंग बिलीफ एक्सरसाइज भी डाली हुई है। सो एज आई सेड, माय पैशन इज टुवर्ड्स माइंड पे काम करना, दिमाग को थोड़ा सा अलग पोजिशनिंग पे कैसे लेके आए वो करना, इसीलिए आई लव दैट स्पेस। सो द बुक इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस।
वंडरफुल। तो अश्विन, हमारा हम जब भी मिले थे इसके पहले, एंड जब बिफोर द लॉकडाउन रियली हमको डस दिया, उसके पहले जब आपके साथ जो बात हुई थी स्टारबक्स में, यू हैड मेंशन टू मी, आपने बताया था वो कॉन्वर्सेशन में, सेल्स कॉन्वर्सेशन में कैसे येलो यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड
अरे हाँ, वो तो एक मेरा बहुत फेवरेट टॉपिक है, बट आई थॉट यू नो इट शुड नॉट इंटरफियर विथ योर सेल्स एंड अदर कोचिंग एंड ऑल्सो, मैं वो बोल ही नहीं रहा था, बट वो तो so you know
does it interfere? Because
no,
if
it does
yes,
not. It does not. Again and again, it is just working on the head. And so I love the topic of communication. In fact, I read a lot. So abhi recently मैंने क्या करा, I'll just give you an example. I read a book called Talk Like TED. So उसके अंदर ना हजारों लोग जो टेड में बात कर चुके हैं, उसका पूरा निचोड़ है उसके अंदर, और उसमें बताया जाता है कि आप कैसे बात करो। मैंने उसकी समरी को यूटिलाइज कर करके ये निकाला है कि हाउ वी कैन यूज दैट इन अ नॉर्मल डे टू डे कन्वर्सेशन। आज जूम कॉल पे हैं, ठीक है, नाउ वो लोग बड़े बड़े एक्सपर्ट्स क्या बोलते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बहुत जरूरी है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए, कंटेंट इज नॉट इनफ, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन चाहिए, बॉडी लैंग्वेज चाहिए। मैं आपको बोलता हूँ आगे जूम का जमाना है, जूम में आपका चेहरा दिखने वाला है, एट द मोस्ट आपके हाथ दिखने वाले हैं, so it becomes so easy. Use only your face and your hands. Why you worried about the body language concept? भूल जाओ उसको। People get scared. वो सोचते हैं कि मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक नहीं है, मैं बराबर चलता नहीं हूँ, मेरे शोल्डर्स ड्रूप होते हैं, ये होते हैं। भूल जाओ, आगे जूम का जमाना है, आप उसमें तो अच्छे से करो। So yellow being used in the concepts is a little bit, somebody is writing there whether it is NLP. So yes, I use NLP, but not in the test, but in my coaching tools. When I say that I have around 24 tools of making you understand how to communicate and how to sell better, there I'm using coaching tools. For example, I'll give you a very simple NLP tools. एकदम simple example बताता हूँ। मेरा एक tool है जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ the yellow TV. अभी ना मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ कि यहाँ पे 41 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, वो येलो टीवी वर्ड पहली बार सुने होंगे तो वो याद रखेंगे। सो दिस इज, इतना एनएलपी में यूज करूंगा। उसके बाद जो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा ना कि येलो टीवी में क्या होता है, हाउ डू यू प्रेजेंट, आपको वो ज्यादा टाइम तक याद रहेगा, ना कि अगर मैं बोलता वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन टेक्निक, वो बोलने के बाद वो आप याद नहीं रखोगे, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ द माइंड वर्क्स। We are wired like that. हम लोग को कुछ नया चाहिए। आज नवी इतने सारा खाना पड़ा होगा, लेकिन वो एक नवी डिश हम पूरी नहीं लेंगे, बट टेस्ट जरूर करेंगे। So वो कैसे होता है कि this is what I mean, somebody, because NLP वाला अच्छा सा किसी ने लिखा था, तो that is where I use. Then my other tools are the yellow circle of context. That is a tool to have 100% successful meetings. Then I have a yellow table of solutions. How to decide when you are undecided. The yellow menu card. How to have the products or the services that you have. एक मेनू कार्ड के लिए स्पर्श करो हार्दिक, आपकी एक बहुत बहुत बढ़िया लोकेशन में एक रेस्टोरेंट है, ठीक है, आपके वहां पे मजदूर भी आता है, मिडिल क्लास वाला बंदा भी आता है, HNI भी आता है, लॉयर्स भी आते हैं 2 वीकडेज में, और वीकेंड्स में स्टूडेंट्स भी आते हैं। मैं बोलता हूँ आप सबके लिए एक येलो मेनू कार्ड बनाओ। अब येलो मेनू कार्ड में आप क्या करो, सबसे सस्ती आइटम सबसे ऊपर रखो, उसके बाद थोड़ी महंगी, उसके बाद थोड़ी महंगी, उसके बाद सबसे महंगी। And as entrepreneurs, as business owners, when you go and sell your product, सबसे पहले वो सबसे सस्ती वाली चीज दो, ना कि सबसे महंगी। For all the coaches and trainers in the room, we have our profit maximizers, which is that 1 lakh retainer or 10,000 a month or 25,000 a month or 5 lakhs in a year. Don't start there. If you want to get a foot in the door of a prospect and then try to make him a client, सबसे पहले आपकी सबसे सस्ती सर्विस दो, एंड वो जब सस्ती सर्विस आप दे रहे हो ना, उसकी अंदर आप ट्रिमेंडस वैल्यू उसको, 2 रुपए की चीज अगर बेच रहे हो ना, उसको 10 रुपए की वैल्यू दो when you are meeting that person for the first time. Now this concept I called as a yellow menu card. Now yellow menu card बोलूंगा तो अभी इसमें से इतने सारे याद रहेगा.
So I think this. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Ashish. Ashwin, you are these are pearls of wisdom. I can already see Saket doing claps, and दो लोग already पूछ चुके हैं where can we get access to this content. So can I request you for a special price as in the cost for this group? But before you do that, how many people would like to take this test? Just say thumbs up so that I know that you would like to take this test. I will negotiate on your behalf, but you have to say a yes, you'd like to take this test. The more thumbs up we have, the better price we get from Ashwin. Ashwin, I'm putting you on a spot here, but you cannot, you've come on this platform and now you've already said कि आप सबसे सस्ता वाला दोगे और उसमें 10 times ज़्यादा value दोगे.
आपने मुझे ट्रैप कर लिया.
Yes, but how many people want that? I'm genuinely very, very excited about this. Put your thumbs up so that I can take a quick count. Put your thumbs up on the chat. Put your thumbs up, say or just say yes, I want it. Just put it on the chat, or so I can take a quick count. Rajkumar ji, chat pe daliye so that I can take a count. Okay, Saket wants it 3 times, so that's like brilliant. Malhar, thumbs up. Okay, good. Mohammad Modi, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, great. Kayur, okay, good. So I think we have a lot of them, Ashwin. You got to make a very special offer right now for us. I'm sorry to put you on the spot, but I guess we deserve it. We are a group of action-oriented professionals. Give it to us.
Sir, I never thought it's going to be I am overwhelmed, and thank you very much. इतना ये सब हो रहा है. I never thought it's going to end up into selling something, but this test, if you go on my portal, is at 5,100, which includes 15-minute counseling also. What Hardik, what I can do is I can give you the test which is not including the my counseling at only 199 rupees. Okay, 199.
Wonderful. Can you? Is there a link? Is it online? Is it off? How
yeah. So it's on my dashboard. I will just create a link and send it to you. And
so if you could send it to Fozia,
okay.
I think we'll take a minute if you can do that right now, and if you can send it to Fozia, then Fozia, if you could put that link in the chat. So 5,000 rupees product, 199. I think it's
no. So there is a difference. 5,000 rupees may I give my own counseling also.
Okay. So this is minus the counseling.
This is minus the counseling. This is a basic test जो आपको काफी कुछ कर देगा, and then when you want you can come to me for counseling. और उसमें भी for this group I will not charge that much. We will work out because this is only 40 people. If it goes beyond that, then probably we can do something. But for this group, even the counseling part, I will subsidize and give you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ashwin. I am now waiting for your link. Fozia, just check your WhatsApp. Ashwin,
yeah. You have got Fozia. आपको मिला होगा.
You're on mute, Fozia.
Yeah, I think I just pasted it. Give me a moment. One second. Yeah, there it is.
So, it's not that long, Fozia. आपने शायद 2-3 बार भेज दिया.
That is the reason. I was wondering why it's not coming over. I think it's because of the delay.
Okay, so you may just
You
want
have
to
sent
paste
it.
one.
I'll just paste one, but it'll come as a continuation. I'll just do that again. Now I can. 1 minute. I think there is a lag of a few seconds. That's why this is happening.
No worries. I mean, anyways, you guys are on the WhatsApp group that we have. You guys, some of them will be on the as a part of our Facebook community. If you guys are not on our WhatsApp group or on the Facebook community, please be a part of that right away. Fauzia, I can also can I request you to also paste those links? So if you're not a part, become a part of this forum. There is no charge to it whatsoever, and enjoy all the content that's coming your way. There, I'm taking questions on that group as well, which my team is noting it down, and then we do a live Q&A. The only questions I answer is the ones that come on the WhatsApp group. That's simply because I don't want to answer questions from people who are not going to be action oriented. So people who are not action oriented, sorry, I'm not for you. But if you are action oriented, if you are somebody who wants to make a change happen, wants to move ahead and not be hota hai chalta hai, then that group is for you. So all the links are there in the chat box, and you can access that. You can get on. Ashwin Kukreja, thank you very much for this insight. Now I would open this up for any questions that you guys may have for Ashwin today. And I think we are already
Yes, of course,
quite a
please.
bit. But if anybody has questions, I'll take like 3 questions. So first come first serve basis. Koi bhi questions hai you want to pick up? Thank you, Saket. Thank you. Questions puchiye. Whatever questions you have, ask. Ashwin Kukreja is right here. We can pick his brains and get to know. Okay, where can we access this content? Yellow TV, Yellow menu card, and others which you have created.
So that is a one-on-one sessions that I take. Hardik, you could share my number with Saket, and we can discuss that. Yeah.
Sure, wonderful. From where to get the book? Is the book available on Amazon or?
Yeah, it's on Amazon. It's on Kindle. I will, group, if we happen to touch base, I don't mind giving it. I have a number of copies I have with me, which was meant for an event. I don't mind giving it to any of you if we happen to catch up post the lockdown, or you could order through Kindle as well.
Wonderful. For startups, do you suggest any programs? Do you have any programs specifically for startups?
See, I'll tell you, if there's a smallest scope that you feel is required to work on your mindset, then you come to me. Because I have my experience and my ups and downs of my business, my 25-year-old IT business with my office at Lamington Road, and what I've seen. And then the issues in my family business with my dad and his brothers, and those legal issues and a lot of things I have seen. What I've concluded is that sab kuch idhar hota hai. If this is clear, now most of the things are sorted. So if you feel that there is a scope of improvement as far as your mindset is concerned, then you should definitely call me and we can discuss.
Ashwin, there are a couple of people who have asked the name of the book so that they can search it.
The art of predicting behaviors, and it's by Ashwini Kukreja.
Yeah, sorry. So I'm used to calling you Ashwin. So
yeah.
Ashok ji, I think has Ashok ji, thank you very much. You've already pasted a link of where people can.
Yeah, Notion Press, Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere it's there.
Okay. Mohammad Modi has already he has asked 2 questions. I'm going to take one, Mohammad, for you. How long will these assessments take? So So
the one that I have given you is you will be able to do it in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So this is basically a video assessment. You should have nice audio or video. It's a mobile responsive thing. आपका वीडियो आएगा, अराउंड 3 मिनट का वीडियो होगा, वो आप ध्यान से देखिए। उसके बाद मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। क्वेश्चंस को आप उंगली से ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं, पूरा गेमिफाइड है, प्रायोरिटी वाइज आपको सिलेक्ट करना है 1 2 3 4, तो वो आप करेंगे। And at the end of it, there is a report that comes. If you want a counseling, you should send the report to me, and then we can go for the counseling. Otherwise, the report is also quite self-explanatory. You could get quite a hang of what you need.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Ashwin. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming in. There are a few more interviews like this. If you enjoy this, did you enjoy this? Yeah, wonderful. The last interview that we did was with somebody who could help us manage the receivables. A lot of you guys have sent us requests. It's slowly going to to Suresh for him to action them. So the filtration process remains at our end because we don't want to spam him up. Now we have Ashwin with you. We are going to have some very good speakers being interviewed. Not speakers, let me say professionals who we think will be required in the course of the lockdown and after that also. So if you like this session, stay tuned and active on our Facebook group, on our WhatsApp group. All of this that is happening is absolutely free, but I would really urge you to not keep these free sessions only up to you. This is a period where any help that can go to anybody around you will always be cherished. Earn your blessings, my friend. Share all of these information that comes to you from the Facebook group, from the WhatsApp group. Share it with your friends who are business owners. All of us are in stress. All of this information, if probably not resolve your business challenge, it will definitely have you in the right frame of mind to enter the new world that all of us are entering. So all the content that's going to come here is only going to be with that intention. Fozia, I'll request you to again paste the link for our Facebook group or WhatsApp. Whatever suits you, get on. But remember one thing, we don't want to have people, and this, as much as it may sound rude, but I want to really say, we don't want to have people who are not action oriented. We don't want to have people who are going to join this group and simply send their brochures and visiting card pictures, because that's not the intention of this group. The intention of these groups is only to learn and get prepared for the new world. So if there's somebody who's coming in with that mindset कि नहीं मैं सब बेच दूंगा, सब brochure डाल दूंगा, we don't want them. People who have the learning mindset और जो action करने वाले हैं, there is a lot more coming your way. Get into that group, stay connected. Once again, thank you very much, Ashwin Kukreja. Thank you very much, everybody, for attending. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Ashwin.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Keep propelling. Thank you.